Yo, what's up, everybody? All right, y'all. Gotta move my chair here. About one car got on it. I was doing a couple wires, soldering them. This is my own fault. I should have put it up, huh? Okay, it's up now. Now I gotta be like that. Okay, we got some more unboxing. I don't know what it is. Thinking this is the cable, throttle cable. What do we have here? I don't know what the hell this is. Oh well, let's open it up and find out. The KZ. Oh, kind of feeling that. I didn't know what that was. That's my primer bulbs. The small primer bulbs. When I get them for like those small equipments that I do, I get like a 8, 9, 10 or whatever. Because I didn't have any. I had the larger bulbs like this, but I didn't have the smaller bulbs. And I needed the smaller bulbs to do a couple of projects. Put them in a drawer. I didn't expect them to come. Hey, these feel like my cables for my little jump starter. Yeah, I've been needing those. I got a jump starter that I got secondhand. The part number for all of y'all who like to see part numbers. And I needed the little jumper cable for it. Boy, that saves you some time right there, them little sucker stuff. Let me see if I can get the jumper real quick. If I haven't moved it or put it up, waiting on those things. Yeah, see, here you go. This is what I got. Genius Boost, 7,000. No, right here. A GB40, 12 volt, 1,000 amp. Thing good because you can charge it up with like your phone charger. Alright, we got a problem. Look at this. Both female, man. As long as this took to come in, too. It took forever. Ah, man. I guess I could always rig this to work with this. You know, I don't want to do that, but I guess I could. Which would probably end up being a project now. Because it took that. Whew. Oh, man. I'm talking. What? About a month and a half, dude. It was a long wait. Pretty much it gave up on me. I was like, man, these things, they gonna come. I hate them ones when we have on there like be within a week, and then when you get through the checkout, it'd be like a month, you know, from this 1 week to a month. Man, you knew it was gonna be a month from the start, from the jump. Just put it on there. That's something I needed. Yeah, that's for my cordless drill. Yeah, that's something I really needed really bad, man. You doing work, man. Phew. You don't know how much you miss your cordless drill. Also got an extra battery. Because I got a couple other things to use with these 20 volters also. This over here on charge. Alright, we got that charging. And I'll come back later on and put one of the other ones on there because I got the two Black & Deckers up here. So I'll come back and put them on charge later. And we got, my bad, we got one more thing, which I think, like I said, it's a speedo cable, not the speedo cable, throttle cable. So really, this is the only thing that came for the 440. But what I was saying is, I know y'all saw the video of the carbs. Yep. Throttle cable. Packaging even got a hell of a lot better. It even got a barcode. Yeah. Whoever it is, they're trying to throw up their game. That looks damn good, that packaging. But, okay, the 440. What I'm going to do on the 440 is, I was rebuilding them carbs, and I got with some people I know. You know anything about Image, you know I do some buy, selling, and trading. So, did a little trading, horse trading, and I got 2 Mikuni carbs coming in about a couple of days. So, and they're already put together and everything. You know, I don't have to put like the brackets between them and everything, tie them all together. So it's already set for me. And I'm hoping that it's just a straight fit, that I don't have to adjust anything or change the well, I still have to change the boots, yeah. The manifold rubber boots. I got 2 new of those coming also because the ones that on there had cracks. So, yep, that's what's happening. That's your unboxing. I know it wasn't what you was looking for, but hey, can't always be motorcycle, man. Catch y'all on the next one.